Just arrived at Fairway Vistas, so we're going to do an open house in Dubai for a change instead of in Marbella. High ceilings.
This is a nice one. How it is?
Very nice.
Yeah. This is between all the villas. It will be golf course.
That's one house over there.
Yeah, this is one house.
Yeah, what people want. Size of the dining room, 10 places. Absolutely minimalistic and modern home. Open plan. Some water in this Dubai heat. This is like, I love Marbella heat, but this is like insane. Look at the butler's kitchen. I'm not allowed to call this a dirty kitchen. This is, this is a major.
This is more like a main kitchen in most houses.
In a lot of houses in the front, and you've got a service entrance here. Well, that's a first. Food table in the natural living room, next to the kitchen. For me, I find it very tastefully decorated. The colours are beautiful. There's just these, look at these details here. Very simple, cactus, easy maintained. Beautiful outdoor show. Elegance.
What do you think, Leo?
Yeah, it's lovely. It's more my scene. I like the view.
Yes,
But you could be anywhere. This could be Marbella, couldn't it?
It feels like, very much like a Marbella house,
Yeah.
without a doubt. But this is gorgeous.
Yeah, this is
the
lovely.
pit,
The sunken pit.
the sunken pit, this one, and this a huge jacuzzi.
I could see you here, Mary. This is your kind of
right.
place.
Amazing fire pit with the swimmer. And I'm telling you, I haven't seen a jacuzzi that size. That's like a This house really flows. You're just going in, out, back around again. That comes from the kitchen. Because the thing about Dubai is everybody comes to you. That's what everyone says. Your food, your groceries, your staff. Very similar to what we see in Marbella. The quality is even probably higher. They look at these slabs, even the small things, so it doesn't face off. This is a cult product line. What do you think of this? What do you think of this, Joanna?
I like this one, but this is European.
This is European style, absolutely. This is a more catering for everybody. This is something you could see. It's really definitely European style. I have a thing about lights, as you know, because I think everybody needs down lights, dimmer lights. Look at these. Everyone looks great in these lights. No filters required. Look at the rail with the lighting. Beautiful home, really gorgeous, very European.
You should tell this to the architect and the owner.
So, stone floors, the bath.
So Mary, you come from high standards. How does this rate?
Fantastic. Very European, very cosmopolitan, frontline golf.
Think about, imagine if this was in the Marbella Club, how much would it be worth? Then you're looking at 16 to 18 million as well.
More. So the Marbella Club is millionaire as well. Same thing. Or billionaire as well. And there actually is no prices. There are no prices.
Here, there's no comps.
Yeah.
It's every villa is unique. There's
Yeah.
zero comps. So you can't compare one to the other. You can't even say this square to that.
Yeah. Someone asked me, so how do you put the price? I said, depends on what day of the week it is. So this is an entire, in another home, this would be a bedroom and a bathroom. And what they've done, they've devoted to a closet. So this entire area, from when we enter in here, is the primary suite. All your knickknacks, watches. Watch collection, anybody? Everything again, Maids. What we're quickly learning about Dubai is that it's all about the branding. Everything is what label it is, what brand it is, and that's what dictates the price that we're asking. Wow, that's beautiful, beautiful. Look, it's dressed, look at the entire wall. Subdued lighting. Everything's done. Every detail and the colours. Soft palette, manager lighting. Oh, just love it. Love the house, gorgeous house. Let's have a look. How big is this house? We have primary wing over there, and we have, believe it or not, 4 suites on one level upstairs. And they're all extremely generous. There's no little rooms in here. Everybody's got a suite, the entire family. Absolutely spectacular home. Oh, you know what this one is? For the nanny. This is cool. This is really designed for a family with young children. And then the fourth bedroom is a single room for a nanny or a babysitter. And suite number 3. Wooden floors. Oh, this one's dressed in wood. I like them. Everyone is individual. They're not all the same. So each one is done individually. I'm just blown away with the stone. Carpentry work is amazing.